Hi, and welcome to today's podcast where we have invited Darren Hayden Joseph from LJ Tax USA. Darren, can you also give us a background of what you do and what your firm specializes in?
Okay, HTJ.tax, and the website really is HTJ.tax. So we help demystify the sometimes confusing world of cross-border taxation. So we work with private clients who are exposed to multiple jurisdictions. So essentially, if you're just exposed to one single jurisdiction, we're probably on the best team to work with you. But if you are a business owner, investor, nomad, or just an international expat who's exposed to multiple jurisdictions, we can help you structure your situation to be optimal while 100% compliant. And on the back end, we help you with tax returns as well.
Yeah. Once someone has acquired a US LLC, what are the filing requirements to maintain it?
Okay. Typically, if it is you have FDAP income, so that is, again, you are earning or you're deriving revenue in terms of dividends, interest, royalties, basically some sort of passive income. All you may need to do is file a W-8 form, a W-8 Ben or W-8 Ben-E, depending on your structure and your situation, with whoever the withholding agent is. So, for example, if it is that you've invested on a securities platform, you can fill in the W-8 Ben, you submit that, and that's it. So that doesn't go to the IRS, the withholding agent. They retain that, and they use it as the basis for calculating what the withholding should be, which in the case of someone in the Emirates is going to be 30%. That they withhold on your behalf, and they send that to the tax office. And in that case, you don't even need to file a tax return. If it is that you have ECI income, as we previously described, effectively connected income, you're running a trade or business, an active trade or business, then it becomes a bit tricky. You would at least need to file something called a 5472, a form together with a 1040 NR. This is a non-resident tax return, and you need to declare the income that you've earned in your active trade or business, and depending on where it is on the scale, you tax accordingly, and you remit that payment. If it is that you're holding your LLC not in your name personally, it's not a 1040 NR, there's an 1120F. So, again, you'd need to speak with a tax advisor, a tax team that understands international taxes as opposed to just U.S. domestic taxes to figure out what's right for you. Even if there's not much income, or there is no income in the trade or business, we still recommend that what we call a protective return is filed. This is just in case the IRS at some future point in time looks back in years to come, looks back on the situation that has just passed and determines, a tax return should have been filed. You retain certain rights and privileges to certain deductions or whatever if you file a protective return. So essentially it's a nil return. But, that's one of the reasons we say this thing is complicated. Speak to a tax team that understands your situation, that you can get the right advice. But generally speaking, that's what you're looking at in terms of filing.
Sure.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.